Hello, my name is Derek Gee. My people's self ID is stated down here, including my email address. And for the final project, I decided to create an RPG game called Moonstruck. First, talk about the character class, which is the main body. We have the setters and getters, including with the characters constructors, with private variables, including the name of the user chooses, the level of the character, the health of the character, the basic output of the character, and the chance the character has to hit a special ability. It's also included some functions down here which will increase the health which of a player when they choose a defense option, which will increase the level and basic level when a player wins a duel. We also have some virtual functions stated here, which include one for attack, one for defend, one for special, and one for win. We also have a setter and getter and upgrade for that type of character special ability. For example, the wizard special ability is its wand or magic. Its upgrade will be multiplied by 5 every single time my player wins a duel. Setter and getter for ability, and its special quotes are electric wire, shield blast, lightning strike, and none shall defeat me. For the witch's ability, is the witch's spells or witchcraft, with a upgrade skill of multiplied by 6 every time the player wins. And the quotes are hocus pocus, shield, blizzard storm, and none shall defeat me. My spells. For the elf character, the elf special ability is its bow and arrow, with its bow being upgraded multiplied by 3 every single time the player wins. And the elf's quotes is aim, fire, keep breathing, that's the key, rain fire, and keep them coming. Now for the main part of the code, we have a void menu function for this ASCII art and basically for the title page with the option choices. Character info, which will be shown later. Some lore for new players who want to start the game, and a counter feature which will signify that a duel has started. And also, the duel menu we have the option of defend, basic attack, special attack, and save and quit with the character's health and enemy health stated here. There's also a hit message, which will basically present the characters as they got a hit, depending with if the enemy got a hit or the player got a hit. This function will deal with that, and also an end menu when someone wins a duel, and also another function which will decrease the health of either the player or the enemy, depending if they able to damage the character or enemy. Also have some variables initialized here for one, mostly just for the files and user type and usability for the messaging part. If the player wants to start a new game, it will be showing the character types as we will show a let's play of, including they're able to input the name they want to, choose the class they want to create, and also for veteran players, able to reload where they started. Well, this function is for this will always be absolute, as this will determine the character's type and create that saved game. And for this part is for whether they save during a duel, and if they save during a duel, they able to reload the enemy type they were fighting beforehand. Else they're able to start a new duel. For new players, they'll get the function for the game's introduction or the lore. This new duel will create the enemy AI, and with its random variable option to create a random character, a wizard, a witch, or an elf. And once the enemy is created, or the player has already started the game, the duel system will begin. Option 0 will basically be the defend option. If the player has a 1 in 2 chance of getting a direct defend shield, they will get the quotes, increased health, and also a quote demonstrating that they got a hit or they are able to defend themselves. Same with the enemy type, and for options 1, they're able to shoot a direct hit. There is no chance because it always be a direct hit. That's why that's the lowest chance. Option 2 is special ability. It's the same thing as defend. Only difference is that you're able to set a health to decrease to use the decrease health function and use a hit message as option 1. For option 3, able to save a duel if they need to leave or they want to quit the game while they're still doing. And if the AI wins, they'll be shown this quote, and the game will be terminated. Their save file will not be saved. If the player wins, then their game will be saved. Their character will be upgraded, and they will have the chance to continue or quit the game. Now let's start the game. Will be shown first. The menu option will be start a new game, or slow to save game. We'll start a new option demonstrating the character types: the wizard, the witch, and the elf, with their chances of getting a special ability, damage output, and the weapon they'll be using. I want to use an elf for time's sake, and I want to name this Fred the elf. We'll get some introduction on the lore, which we'll be able to read, and also an encounter demonstrating that the duel has started. We'll also show the character's health bar, also what you're able to do. You're able to defend, basic attack, special attack, or defend. Let's say I want to do a basic attack. I'm able to, the program will output the pointer's message of the character type and also show the enemy AI's chosen option, which the AI decided to defend but failed. Now for time's sake, for this option, while I talk about the program, the AI has a chance to get either a option from 0 to 3. AI is basically a random variable, and that's so the AI is able to choose what they want to do, and how they choose, and able to choose what character they want to use as well. Now I won this option, so I get my pointers out for winning. Also the upgrade, my game is saved, and also have the option to continue or to quit. Now for time's sake, I'm going to quit. My characters are destroyed. I win.